Welcome to Mechanic. Today we have a 2023 Chevy Bolt. On this vehicle, I'm going to go over the process to be able to replace your map light. So say either one of these has gone out and you need to replace it, either side. So the map light is the one that's located at the front of the vehicle, right above your driver and or passenger, basically. And so up here, I'm taking a small screwdriver, being able to pop that down on that side and then on this side, and then being able to remove this cover and pop it out. Now we can gain access to the light bulb, and just with our same small screwdriver we're able to get the light bulb to remove for replacement. All right, so this light bulb is a 12 volt bulb, 8 watt. So you get something equivalent of this style of light bulb to be able to put back in here. Your local auto parts store will be able to help you out with that. So we're going to line it up and then being able to just press it in and lock it into place. Now taking our cover, we go in the reverse order, and we want to make sure that this tab here stays kind of on the low side, and then that way we'll be able to catch the little tab there to be able to turn it on. There we go. And so that is your replacement of your map light. Repeat for the other side if you need to replace that also. Thanks for watching Mechanic, where you can be the mechanic.